All right, guys, me and Ty are getting ready to go on an adventure. Check out this setup. Looking good. Time to pop Ty's cherry. Ty, are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to do this?
Get ready to get dirty.
You ready to get your cherry popped?
Oh, fucking right I am, brother. Oh, shit, that looks pretty.
Oh, man, I didn't pack it all last night, man. I
didn't either. I was too fucking.
Yeah, I got in the house. Christine was already in bed and fucking.
Oh, was you?
Yeah, I was
just got a couple more things to grab, right?
What is going on, guys? Me and Ty made it to Minden Off-Road Park last night. We're just warming up the machines before we go out here. Got them warming up over there. This is Ty's first time. Look at him in here getting ready. Look at him in, like, he's using the mirror, for Christ's sakes. Like, it's like he's going to the club.
What?
Jacket.
You still filming this?
Yeah, I'm filming all of this. This is too good.
Oh, stop.
He's gonna go viral watching you get ready.
You
know, when we ride sport bikes, it's always like this too. We're always waiting on Ty to get ready. He's got to put his glove on and make sure it's slipped in between every finger.
Well, that makes sense.
There you go. All right, we'll catch you when he finally gets ready. You excited?
Fucking right I am.
It's your first freaking ride on your new machine.
Looking forward to it.
You guys haven't seen Ty's new machine. The XTP 1000R.
Still learning.
You tell it's got a Yoshi pipe on it. 1000R.
Oh yeah, I'm good. Just over 3/4.
You guys snorkeled. Oh yeah, you got that deal.
Yeah.
If not, we'll stop at the gas station. All right, man, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this shit. Buddy already. Hey, he's leading. Oh, that's nice. 4-wheel drive.
Right there.
Yeah, I bet. Some arm pump, eh? How you feel? See there, you should have put it in 4-wheel drive.
Yeah?
Yeah. You're just pinned up against a rock.
Yeah, I saw that. But
Yeah.
once it started carving for me, that's why I get a little bit
When you're full lock like that, don't pin on it.
Yeah.
Because you'll break a tie rod for sure.
It's 4-wheel drive now, pretty much.
Yeah, you might want to because this is a hill climb. Yeah, put it in low.
Oh?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Oh yeah. Rocket shit. Oh, look at Ty go. Oh yeah. Yeah. That was awesome. We're going through deep stuff. Oh, fucking Ty's going through it. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't get him. There you go. A fucking tree down. I gotta figure out how we're gonna get around this damn tree. Looks like people are going this way. All right, let's see if this XMR can go through this. Lose the GoPro? Nope. But it moved. Oh! There you go. The front end just comes right up on that thing. I said the front end just comes right up on that thing.
Like you get it right, it just wants to go on. Didn't move much though. Yeah, it didn't move much.
So Ty, how's your first ATV
Loving
experience?
Why didn't I do this much sooner? Fucking hot though, man.
Yeah. Ty's just sending it off everything. Did everything. You'll see into the video. He's signing it up and sending it off everything.
Really,
just brop, brop.
I like the sound of it though.
Yeah.
Sounds right.
It hooks up no problem. Tires are good.
Yeah, they're right.
She got her first mud bath.
Yeah, she does.
She ain't new no more. Well, new to him anyways.
What's that?
New to him anyways.
Come on up.
Get it right up here. Right in the action, Ty.
Nice.
You gonna go through it?
I don't know.
Give her a shot.
Think so?
Yeah.
That's deep, man.
Yeah, I know it's deep. You'll be alright. You got waders on. You gonna try it?
Yeah, sure. Might as well.
Yeah. I'm a bad influence.
No, no.
You can do it.
Do it.
He's fucking loving it.
That's better than most. How'd that look?
That looked good, man.
Look alright?
Yeah, you're giving her.
This thing's got fucking power, man. Like, I almost want to do that again.
It's addictive, man.
Come on.
I hate it through that hole. It's revved up now. Oh, it's all revved up. Fuck, guy. Hey, hold on a second. You want me to film you if you're going through here? That's how you do it. Alright, my turn. Like I was telling Ty, all these holes aren't that bad. Oh, they built a new bridge. Nice. There's your trail money working for you right here. That's awesome. Thanks, Albert, ATV Association. You gonna send it? Oh, yeah, he's sending it. He's all pipe. He's all Come this way.
What's that?
Back up and get yourself straight.
What's that?
Back up and get yourself straight. Just push like this too while you're steering. Yeah. Like rock it back and forth.
One spot there, it didn't want to go.
You got so pretty good there.
Is that some good footage?
Oh yeah. You got wet. Hold on a second. You fucking snap an axle already?
Hold on.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, she's done. Sending her too hard. Alright, fucking just easy. Don't fucking give her. You're not gonna get pelted. So Ty, we had some unfortunate incident. Don't let it get your day down.
Got this.
We're drowning our sorrows.
I got my buddy Nick. I got this.
He's got his Bud Light.
Should have been not Bud Light, just Bud.
You want to show everybody what you did?
Nope.
Come on, show the people what you did. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No. First time too. Oh yeah. Ain't gonna stop me though. Get that shit fixed and break it another time. Yeah. See that one? Before and after. Before and after. Well, at least he's taking it in good spirits.
What's that?
At least you're taking it in good spirits.
Fuck, what are you gonna do, man? I'm
Look at his face though, fucking, like it's fucking caked. When he sent it through those water holes, he looks like look at it.
Oh yeah. Yours was a fucking...
Hey, it was fun while it lasted.
Yeah, it was.
Your honest opinion, Ty. Are you happy you spent the...
I'm looking forward to going again, let's just say that. Yes, I'm definitely...
Maybe buy some beefier axles.
Yeah, it's hoping for some overtime. Maybe a couple of these. Spend some quality time with my bud Nick. He's gonna help me out. Fucking replace them. Yeah, I'll beef them up. Might as well. Don't want to be that guy that breaks down the second time after only 2 rides.
So your first ride was good?
I liked it.
Yeah,
very much so. That one waterbed, man. You must have heard me right at the end. I was like, wah! It was like right on. I'm like, man, it was cool. Like,
yeah, Ty sent her pretty good today.
It was just like almost skipping a rock. You know, like just the front is. I was like, yeah, it was pretty good, man. I'm pretty. Back on lots of words, to be honest with you.
Well, that's good. I'm glad you had fun.
Oh, definitely,
we had fun.
most definitely. Hanging out with one of my best buds too, so what can go wrong?
That's what it's all about, man.
Exactly. So
your brake shit?
You break shit.
You break shit.
You break shit again.
Break it, fix it.
What did you say
Fix
that I
it,
should
break
put on
it.
the code? What is it? Go to fuck shit up or something like that?
I'm about to fuck shit up. Ty had a good time.
Yeah.
And that's probably going to do it for this video. So make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the bell notification.
Yeah.
And we'll get Ty to send it even harder some more times.
Oh yeah.
We'll see.
Gotta put a separate account away just for
I told him he's got to get a part-time job now that he owns a Can-Am.
Yes, most definitely. Definitely. It's got to pay at least $20 an hour.
He's going to be a pizza delivery boy. But yeah, see you guys around.